Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs in a Ford F150. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and a specialized spark plug socket. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin. For safety, always disconnect the battery's negative terminal before working on your vehicle's electrical system. Next, carefully label and disconnect each ignition coil and its electrical connector. This helps ensure proper reassembly later. Before removing the plugs, use compressed air to clear any dirt or debris from around the spark plug wells. Then, using your spark plug socket, carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug, taking care not to damage the threads. Now, prepare your new spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. This helps with future removal. Carefully hand-tighten each new spark plug into its port to avoid any cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specific foot-pounds setting for your F150 model. Finally, reattach each ignition coil and its electrical connector, ensuring they are securely fastened. Double-check all connections before proceeding. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal. Once everything is reassembled, start your Ford F150's engine and listen for smooth operation. A successful replacement means no misfires and a steady idle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.